Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. If you're interested in the Z60 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So a restart is different from a factory reset. This is just a simple power cycle. We're going to be shutting the unit off and then turning it back on. So first thing we have to do is go ahead, we hold down the power button just for a couple of seconds here. We hear that chime, we can let go. Everything's going to be shutting off. We can give it a second for good measure. And then we can go ahead, we can press it again. The lights just came on, I'm going to let go. You'll hear the startup music. You'll see the light there. It's adjusting the suspension in the module, so you might want to set that down. You can expect something similar. But now the light is going to be that solid color there, and we're all set and ready to go.